In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a timeline in Miro. In order to do that, first head over to miro.com and from this part, proceed to enter right here your work email. So with this, just enter your work email, click onto this sign up free in order to create an account. You can also use your Gmail right here. Now, since I already have an account, let me just proceed to click on this login and log into mine. So Miro is actually a collaborative AI-powered whiteboard tool that you can use for teams. So let's head over and create a timeline. So here is my blank board on Miro. So in order to create a timeline, proceed to click onto this icon right here, which is the Tools, Media, and Integration. From in there, just click onto the search tools and search in here for timeline. Here is our timeline option, so proceed to click on this. And as you can see, the actual animation of my mouse has changed. So you can just choose which block you want to actually add the very top part of your timeline. I'll add it into this block. And as you can see, here is my actual timeline. You can proceed to resize it however you want, just like this one. Just enter right here the task that you wish to use. We have in your first, second, and third tasks. You can create a new one and type something about this. For example, let's name it fourth task. Now you also have the option to change the actual color of each task. Just click onto the task right there. Click on choose color and choose right here the color that you wish to use. So let me change their colors right here in order to make them easier to distinguish. Now you can also adjust the duration. You can click or you can expand it right here. So let's make it until November 9th. And then let's start it right around this part right there. So as you can see, here is our timeline for each task that we have mapped. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.